Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create a stunning logo using this Canva and upload it to your Shopify store step by step. So your logo is one of the first things the customers notice, so having a professional design key is the best part. You don't need to hire a designer because I will walk you through the entire process from designing a logo in Canva to uploading it seamlessly into the Shopify. So before we dive into designing, let me show you both the platforms we'll be using today, the Shopify for our online store and the Canva for designing the logo. So here, Shopify is one of the most popular platforms to build an online store, while the Canva is a free, user-friendly design tool that lets you create logos, social media posts, and so much more. So here we'll fill that empty spot in the Shopify logo. So for that to have a custom logo made in Canva, let's jump into Canva to start designing. So first you need to head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's free to sign up. Once you're in, you just need to go to the search bar, which is this one, and search for the logo. You can either choose a blank template to start from scratch or select from thousand or pre-made logo designs. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize an existing template. So what I need to do here is that now that we are in the Canvas editor, let's break down the different tools you will use to design your logo. So here in the templates are pre-designed logos you can easily customize. They save time and give you a professional base to work from. Click on any template you like and start by changing the text to your brand's name. I recommend you using a clean modern font, guys. But in this tutorial, I'm gonna try this one. So what I need to do here is I'm just gonna change some parts on this logo. Here, we also have here the elements. You can add some graphics here. You can click on elements to find icons, shapes, and symbols. You can search for something that represents your niche, like a shopping bag, leaf, or abstract design. You can resize and position the icon next to or above the text. Keep it simple, and elements can make the logo look cluttered if you make it a lot of elements here. So here, I think this is my final one, but let's try to add another logo here. So again, we'll be going to go to the template and look for more, guys. So we will be having two options here. So here, I'm gonna try this one. So what I'm gonna do here is I need to add a page here and then go back again to the template and tap on this one, and here you just need to apply your page or tap on that one. So now, guys, let's adjust the text here. This website, the Canva, offers hundreds of fonts from classic to bold style. Choose one that reflects your brand personality. You can also change the color and spacing to fit your brand theme. So if you already have icons or images you want to include, you can also click on App Clothes and drag them into Canva. This is great for adding unique symbols or icons that aren't available in the Canvas library. So here, as you can see here, this is my final output. So I'm just gonna edit this one first, and that's it. So I think I'm gonna choose the second one, so this one. So once you're happy with the design, you can click on share at the top right or select the download. Of course, guys, I'm trying to add elements here for you to be aware of how to add here. So here, I'm just gonna add a background here. So here, guys, you can rotate it or drag it depending on you. So take note, guys, that in this part, guys, you can resize and position the icon next to or above the text. Of course, guys, as what I said a while ago, keep it simple because if you have too many elements, it can make the logo look cluttered. So here, I think this is my last part in customizing my logo. And what I'm gonna do here next is I'm gonna download this one. So here, of course guys, choose the PNG format for the best quality. And if you want a transparent background, perfect for Shopify, you can check the transparent background option here. Here, I'm just gonna download this one and I'm going to go to the other website, which is the Shopify. Now let's upload the logo to Shopify. Head over to your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store, then Themes. From there, hit Customize to edit your theme. So here, this is our theme and hit that button. And in the Shopify editor, guys, find the header section. You need to click it and of course, you'll be able to see here different features of this website. Here, you'll be able to see here this header, the template, and then the footer. And here on this tutorial, we are going to edit the header. And tap on the settings icon and you'll be able to see here the features of these settings. Here, the logo, it is very clear and we are going to tap on that one. Here guys, you'll see an option to upload your logo, so that's it, and click select image. And here you can also explore free images here guys, but in this tutorial, as we create a logo, so we are going to choose that select button. Here you can upload a logo you just created and adjust the size until it looks right. So here I'm gonna upload a file here. I just tap the upload image here and I'm just gonna wait because this is processing. So right after that one is just need to done, tap that done button because the file is already uploaded. And here guys, upload the logo you just created and adjust the size until it looks just right. Once you're happy with the placement, hit save. So as you can see here, this is an example of that one. So once you're happy guys, just need to go to the sport and tap on that one. Before wrapping up guys, you can also preview your Shopify site on desktop and mobile to make sure the logo looks great on all devices. You can also adjust the size if needed. And here, let's try to view your store here. Tap on this one. Tap on that one. And there you have it. A custom logo design in Canva and uploaded to Shopify with ease. This small detail can make a huge difference in your store branding and professionalism. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and goodbye.